We invite you to join us on the New England Adventist Heritage Tour. On this tour, you will have the opportunity to walk the ground that the Adventist Pioneers walked, sing the songs that they sang, and learn what their passions were. As part of this tour, lectures will be given in which lessons from Adventist history will be applied to life today. Give yourself the chance to deepen your understanding of Adventist history and have an enjoyable time while doing so. The places that you are about to see are historically important. This movement started in the early 1830s when a handful of people began to teach and believe in the imminent return of Jesus Christ. This small group that became a movement has spread all throughout the world, and they are now known as Seventh-day Adventists to this day.
Hey there, I just wanted to hop on and say that you need to join the Adventist History Tour. It's a really cool, really fun trip that you get to explore different Adventist heritage sites and bring these stories to life. As someone who's grown up in the church, it's really cool to see these stories that I've heard most of my life and put faces and places into my brain. And it was just a really cool experience, a lot of fun. So if you have the chance, I hope you can sign up and go on this trip.